Dear students, good morning. In my previous video, I have started a new chapter, that is similarity, and today I'll do the rest of these chapters. Okay, I have finished up to problems number 8, problems number 7, and today I will start problems number 9. All of you see problems number 9. What is there? In the adjoining figure ABC is a triangle. Here one figure is given. This is a triangle. These sides parallel to these sides, and this okay, and this is D, E, A, this is B, C, this is A. In the adjoining figure ABC is a triangle. D is parallel to BC. AD by DB equals to 3 by 2. What is given? AD by DB. AD by DB equals to 3 by 2. Now all of you see the basic proportionality theorem. If D parallel to BC, any sides of a triangle is parallel to another sides. Suppose these sides, this D parallel to BC, then the basic proportionality theorem tells us that AD by DB equals to AE by BC. We can write it. Okay. AD by DB. First, all of you see AD by DB equals to 3 by 2. If AD equals to 3, then DB equals to 2. Therefore, what will be the length of AB? AB will be 3 plus 2 equals to 5 units. Prove that. First, determine the ratio AD by AB, AD by AB, and D by BC. AD by AB and D by BC. To find this ratio, at first you have to prove triangle ABADE for triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar. At first you have to prove these two triangles are similar. You can prove it easily. What? Angle B equals to angle B. Why? Same as also angle E equals to angle C. Because DE parallel to BC, and so these are the corresponding angles. Therefore, you got two angles. These two angles are equal. Therefore, the triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. I told one theorem, when two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportion. When these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Means, therefore we can write it easily. What is there? AD is 3. Now see, here write AD is 3, this is 2. Therefore we can write AD by AB equals to AB means this by this দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেল কে সেপারেট করে নিবি যেমন কনগ্রুয়েন্সি করার সময় ক্লাস 9 এ ইকুয়ালস টু B by BC equals to AE by AC. No need to write it. You have to find only these two values. Now AD by AB. AD is 3 and this AD means 3 by AB means 3 plus 2, 5. You have to find this now. Find the ratio of AD by AB and DE by BC. You got. Next number, to prove that DEF similar to CBF means this triangle similar to this triangle. same as also. Right? For triangle DEF, and triangle BCEF. You can prove it. This angle equals to this angle and this angle equals to this angle. Why? These two lines are parallel and this angle equals to this angle interior or alternate angle. D parallel to BC, therefore angle C, no need to write, angle ABE equals to angle FCB. Similarly, angle DEF equals to angle CDF. Therefore, by angle criteria, a rule, triangle DEF similar to triangle BCF. Okay, got it? This is the number 2. Hence, find EF by FB. EF by FB. EF by FB. Since these two triangles are similar, therefore we can write EF by FB equals to DF by FC equals to DE by BC. These two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion, and you got DE by BC equals to how much? 3 by 5. Therefore we can write EF by FB also 3 by 5. EF by FB equals to 3 by 5. This is number 3 problems. What is the ratio of their area DEF and CBF? DEF and CBF. Since these two triangles are similar, their area ratio equals to their corresponding side square. You got any one corresponding side square? Therefore, we can write number 4, area of DEF by area of BCF equals to any one DE by BC square. DE by BC square equals to DE means 3 by 5 square, that is 9 by 25. But you should remember there it is required to write in ratio form. Therefore you have to write 9:25. If anyone leave as 9 by 25, then this is totally wrong. You will not able to get the last marks, that is last 1 marks. You lose your 1 marks. Okay, you should remind it. If the answer is question is given in the ratio form, then you have to write in the ratio form. Okay. These are same. Number 11. In triangle ABC, AP is to PB equals to 2 is to 3. In triangle ABC, AP is to PB equals to 2 is to 3. AP is to PB equals to 2 is to 3. AP is to PB equals to 2 is to 3. Okay? And PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. And is extend to a Q such that CQ is parallel to BA. CQ is parallel to BA. Now find area of APO is to area of ABC. First, APO is to ABC. You can find it. At first, you have to prove that these two triangles are similar. For triangle APO, you will prove it. I just did it. You can prove so. This angle equals to this angle. This angle equals to this angle. Triangle APO similar to triangle, but you have to prove it. Okay? I just did it now. Therefore, area of APO is 2, but since two triangles are similar, we can write AP by AB equals to AO by AC equals to PO by BC. What will be the value of AP by AB? Now since it is given AP is to PB, AP is to PB, 2 is to 3. If this is 2, this is 3. AP by PB equals to 2 by 3. Therefore, if AP is to 2, then PB will be 3. Therefore, AB will be 2 plus 3, 5. AP by AB equals to 2 by 5. Now, area of triangle APO is to area of triangle ABC equals to 2 by 5, that is AP by PB, AP by AB square. AP square is to AB square, that is 4 is to 25. First, second, APO is to CQO. Same as also. Right here na AP by PB equals to 2 by 3 equals to AO by AC. Again, for triangle APO and triangle CQO, this angle equals to this angle. Angle AOP equals to angle COQ. Vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angle. Same as also angle APO equals to angle CQO. Alternative angle. This angle equals to this angle because these two lines are parallel. Interior alternate angle. Therefore, triangle APO similar to triangle CQO. Again, FP by PB equals to AO by OC. Why? By basic proportionality theorem, these two lines are parallel, therefore AP by PB equals to AO by OC. By basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. And this value equals to 2 by 3. Again, you got this side by this side. Now you prove these two triangles are similar. This triangle is similar to this triangle. And when these two triangles are similar, then their area ratio equals to their corresponding side square. You got to this corresponding to this. Therefore, we can write area of triangle APO by area of triangle CQO equals to AO by OC square equals to 2 by 3 square equals to 4 by 9 equals to 4:9. You should write in the ratio form. Okay. Next, 14A. At first, draw the figure. This is a triangle A, D, E, B, C. In the figure given below, D parallel to BC, and the ratio of the areas ADE and trapezium DBC is 4:5. Find the ratio of D is to BC. Here these two lines are parallel, and what is given? Now, area of ADE is to area of trapezium DBCE equals to 4:5. Means if this area is 4, this area is 5. Then now tell me what will be the area of ABC? You can easily say that 9. 4 plus 5. If area of ADE equals to 4, therefore area of triangle ABC equals to 4 plus 5 square units, that is 9. Okay. Now triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Why? You have to prove it. D parallel to BC, and these two angles are corresponding angles. Okay, you will write it. I just wrote it. Okay. Now when two triangles are similar, then their areas equals to ratio of their area equals to their any one corresponding sides ratio square. Therefore we can write area of ADE by area of ABC equals to D by BC square. Why you will write D by BC? Now you have to find it. Or area of AD 4 by 9 equals to D by BC square. Removing square, therefore D by BC equals to Rubicon square 4 by root over 4 by 9 means 2 by 3. Then you have to write in the ratio form 2:3. Okay. Next, number 16 2019 এসেছিল। Draw the figure. ST नहीं मेरे पास है मैं जा रहा हूँ। मैं तो क्लास दे रहा हूँ। इधर रुको मैं रुको ऊपर देखो ठीक है तुम जाओ मैं जा रहा हूँ। In the given figure PQR PST 90 degree PQ equals to 5 and PS equals to 2. Prove that triangle PQR similar to triangle PST. Triangle PQR similar to triangle PST. এটা প্রুভ করতে বলেছে। ঠিক আছে হয়ে যাবে। ফর ট্রায়াঙ্গেল PQR and triangle PST কি পাচ্ছিস দুটো ট্রায়াঙ্গেলকে আলাদা করে ড্র করতে হবে। দিস ইজ এ রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, দিস ইজ অ্যানাদার রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল। ওকে, ইন দিস রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল this will be Q. Suppose this is P, this is R. In this triangle, this will be S because 90 degree, and this is P, this is T. Okay. Now you can see angle Q equals to angle S equals to 90 degree, and you can see angle P is the common angle. Therefore, angle P equals to angle P. In bracket you can write this is the common angle. Therefore triangle PQR similar to triangle PST. The first one is prove it. Now find the ratio of PQR to the area of SRQT. SRQT. What is given here? PQ equals to 5 and PS equals to 2. PQ means this. Now see, this side is the corresponding of this side. This side no? That a triangle PQ ta oi triangle PS এর সঙ্গে corresponding. Therefore, the ratio of the area of PQR by area of triangle PST equals to this by this square 5 by 2 square equals to 25 by 4. but you have to find the ratio of the area of SRQT with area of PQR. No problem. Now it is very easy. If area of triangle PQR equals to 25 square units, if I written as if area of triangle PQR is 25 square units, then anyone can write 25x. You can write let area of PQR equals to 25x. 25x. Therefore, area of triangle PST equals to 4x. Now, if from the area of PQR you subtract this, then you can get the area of this quadrilateral. মানে এই PQR ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের থেকে এই এরিয়াটা সাবট্রাক্ট করে দিলে আমরা এই এরিয়াটা পেয়ে যাব। কোন এরিয়াটা? পার্টিকুলার এই পোরশনটা। Therefore, area of quadrilateral যেটা চাই সেটা SRQT equals to 25x minus 4x equals to 21x. Now you have to find the ratio. Which ratio? Therefore, area of triangle PQR by area of quadrilateral SRQT equals to 25x by 21x. X কেটে গেল 25 to 21. ওকে, এটাই ছিল। এখানে আরেকটা মোটামুটি দেখিয়ে দিই, দিলে একই রকম টাইপের হয়ে যাবে। আরেকটা নতুন টাইপের আছে, ওই যে যেটা বলেছিলাম না জিওগ্রাফি টপোশিটের মতো থাকে না, ওই ম্যাপ এরিয়া। এটা দেয় তোরা কতটা দেখবি 22 এরটা খুব ইজি আছে। ওই যে ফর্মুলা ম্যাপ লেন্থ আগের দিন দিয়েছিলাম, ম্যাপ লেন্থ বাই অ্যাকচুয়াল লেন্থ ml বাই al স্কেল ফ্যাক্টর দিয়ে। The model of a building is constructed with the scale factor 1:30. Scale factor K equals to 1:30 means 1/30. Okay. If number 1, if the height of the model is 80 cm, model height means model length ml equals to 80 cm, then you have to find the actual length, height of the building in meter, mean the actual length. We know the formula ml by al equals to k, or ml 80 by al equals to k means 1/30, or al equals to 2400 centimeter, but you have to express into meter, that is 24 meter. The first one. Second, if the volume of the tank is 27 meter cube on the top of the building, ধরো বিল্ডিং এর উপরে একটা ট্যাঙ্ক আছে যেটা ভলিউম হচ্ছে 27 মিটার কিউব, মানে টপে আছে, তাহলে আমাকে বলতে বলছে ভলিউম অফ দ্য ট্যাঙ্ক অফ দ্য মডেলের ট্যাঙ্ক কত হবে। সে ভলিউমের ফর্মুলা লাগাবো। কি ফর্মুলাটা ছিল না, mv বাই মডেল ভলিউম বাই অ্যাকচুয়াল ভলিউম ইকুয়ালস টু k কিউব, or model volume is not given but actual volume is 27 meter cube equals to k cube means 1/30 whole cube. এটাও 2019 এসেছিল। model volume by 27 equals to 1/30 into 30 into 30। এখান থেকে দেখ model volume equals to 27 by 30 into 30 into 30। এটা কি হবে বলতো? মিটার কিউব, কারণ 27 মিটার কিউব। এইটাকে আমরা সেন্টিমিটার কিউবে নিয়ে যেতে পারি। ইনটু 100, তিনটে 100 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব, তিনটে 100 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব, ইনটু 100 ইনটু 100 ইনটু 100। তাহলে কি হবে? 1 2 3 তিনটে জিরো কাটা 1 2 3 3 3 9 3 27 কেটে গেল। তাহলে কত হলো বলতো 1000 সেন্টিমিটার কিউব। ওকে, এইগুলো আর আর কিছু নেই, সেরকম টাইপের আছে। হোমওয়ার্ক গুলো দেখলাম, রাইট অল অফ হোমওয়ার্ক এগুলো করতে দিচ্ছি। প্রবলেমস নাম্বার 10 13 15 8 17 19 23। ইউটিউব ভিডিও যেমন চলছে তেমন চলবে, লাইভে যখন আসবো তখন লাইভের ক্লাস যেমন শেয়ার অ্যান্ড ডিভিডেন্ড চলছিল তেমনই চলবে। ওকে, টুডে বাই।